Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a short tutorial on just a little tip on how to connect things together using a path, especially when a pick whip won't work. I got the 3 cubes on a viewer, simple 3D comp here. This also works on 2D stuff as well. I'm going to show you before you animate anything, it's not possible. Something has to be animated first. I do want to mention I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Can't use my hands and arms. Right now, if I right click on any of these, go to connect to, there's nothing to connect to. But if we animate the red one, I'm going to add a little more rotation to this so it's easier to see. And now you see only the red box is rotating. Let's connect that to the green one. I'm going to connect that to the X on the green one so it rotates in a different direction. Just right click on it, connect to, Y rotation, value. Now the red one's rotating on the Y, the green on the X. Now we go to the pink one. We'll rotate that one on the Z. Same thing. Go to connect to, Y rotation, value. Let's bring this ring in. And same thing. We'll click on it. We'll rotate it on the X rotation. Connect to, Y rotation, value. And everything will rotate accordingly. Or we can do them all the same. Just a good way to connect things that are independent if you want them to move in the same direction. We can also connect this to the merge, and the whole thing will rotate around. Connect it to the Y. Connect to, Y rotation, value. Now everything just keeps rotating. Let's delete these. And we'll select the red one again. We can also do the scale. I'll modify the first one. Now we'll go to the green one. Right click on the scale. Connect to, scale, value. And now they're both there. Now we'll go to the pink one. Go to scale. Right click, go down to connect to, scale, value. Let's delete these now. Just by double clicking on them. Let's go to the color. You animate the red color. Go to the green one. We'll go to the blue. Right click, connect to. Red, then a value. Now the color change here. I didn't change the colors back to white for the sake of the tutorial. Now we'll do the opacity. Right click on the opacity, modify width, and curve. Now we'll select the green. Right click the opacity. Same thing. And now the opacity will work. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.